Welcome to Bike Shift, your ultimate destination for the latest bike reviews and updates. Today's video is all about the 2026 Bajaj Discover 100, a commuter motorcycle that continues to focus on affordability, efficiency, and practicality for everyday riders. Bajaj has refreshed this iconic model to meet modern expectations while keeping its core identity intact. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 100 comes with a simple yet refined design that appeals to daily commuters. It features updated graphics, a sleeker fuel tank, and a sharper headlamp design that gives it a more modern look. The bike maintains its lightweight structure, making it easy to handle in crowded city traffic. Chrome accents and clean body lines add a touch of style without overcomplicating the design. At the heart of the Discover 100 is a reliable 100 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. It delivers modest power, ideal for city commuting and short-distance travel. The engine is tuned for better fuel efficiency rather than speed, ensuring a stress-free riding experience. The refined gearbox allows for smooth gear shifts, making it beginner-friendly and practical for daily use. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Bajaj Discover 100 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Bajaj has optimized the engine to deliver excellent mileage, making it one of the most economical bikes in its segment. This makes it a perfect choice for riders looking to save on fuel costs while commuting daily. With rising fuel prices, this bike stands out as a budget-friendly option. Comfort plays a key role in the Discover 100's design. The bike features a well-cushioned seat and an upright riding position, ensuring a relaxed ride even during longer commutes. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads and speed breakers effectively, offering a smooth riding experience. Its lightweight frame also adds to the ease of maneuverability. The 2026 model includes essential features like a semi-digital instrument cluster, improved braking system, and better lighting for visibility. While it doesn't focus on high-end technology, it provides everything a commuter needs for a safe and convenient ride. Bajaj keeps things simple and reliable, which is exactly what this segment demands. Bajaj is known for offering value-for-money products, and the Discover 100 continues that tradition. The expected pricing makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, especially students and working professionals. Low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency further enhance its overall value. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 100 proves that simplicity and practicality still matter. It's not about speed or advanced tech, but about reliability, efficiency, and affordability. For anyone looking for a dependable daily commuter, this bike remains a strong contender in its class. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates, reviews, and the latest in the world of motorcycles.